labas. Okay na usapan natin. Okay na usapan natin sa labas. Hindi sa loob ng Senado. We can go out. You can have, no. Even during Cory's time, hindi ginawa to. Even during Cory's time, Salonga did not allow. We're going to walk him out. We can arrest him right outside the gate. He is voluntary. Respect the institution. This is not about Jinggoy. We're going out. No, don't leave it right here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso, rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out, but let's walk. Let's walk. You're resting here. Stop. Sir, this is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate. Not for me. That's not for me. This is for the Senate, sir. Sir, that's for the Senate. For the country. Sir, kumain ka na lang. Kumain ka na right outside the door. Right outside the door. Right outside the door.
Dito lang po sa gilid para pwede marami nasa. Para po may